In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a Loom video background. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Blurring your background can give your videos an extra professional touch, which is great for webinars, tutorials, or any content where you want to keep the focus on you. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just go ahead and find the Loom website. If you don't have it saved already, you can easily type in loom.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the site, you'll want to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to create one. Just follow the prompts to set it up. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your video. Look for the button that says New Video. It's usually pretty prominent on the dashboard. Just click on that to get started. You'll then be prompted to choose how you want to record your video. You can select Screen plus Camera if you want to show your screen while still being on camera, or Camera Only if you want to focus solely on yourself. Now, if you've chosen to use your camera, make sure it's turned on. Just look for the camera icon. If it's not activated, click to turn it on. This will let you record yourself as you share your message. Once your camera is on, you're going to notice a few options on your screen. One of those options will be labeled with a sparkling Sparkles Effects button. This is key for what we're doing today. Go ahead and click on that Sparkles Effects button. After you've clicked on it, a panel will pop up with several different options to personalize your video. What you're going to want to do next is look for the option that says Background. Click on that. Here you will find several choices for how you want your background to appear. Among the options, you'll see one labeled Blur. Select that option to apply a blurred effect to your background. The blur will help to obscure any distractions behind you, making sure that your viewers are paying attention to you instead of what's happening in your surroundings. This is especially handy if you're recording from a home office or any location that might not be entirely tidy or relevant to your video content. Once you have selected the blur option, you can close the effects panel. You will see that the background has now been blurred, providing a clean and professional look to your recording setup. With that taken care of, you're on the final stretch. Click the Start Recording button. At this stage, just take a deep breath, remember to speak clearly, and let your personality shine through. Whether you're sharing knowledge, presenting an idea, or just connecting with your audience, you are all set to create your beautifully blurred background Loom video. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to blur the background in a Loom video. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the overall quality of your recordings, making them more engaging for your viewers. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. That way, you won't miss out on any future tips to elevate your video content. Thanks for watching and happy recording.